Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this galvanized heart as well as a wooden heart, both from Dollar Tree. The wooden heart I paint with black chalk paint on the back as well as the sides. Next I move on to the galvanized heart and I remove the little plaque from the front as well as the bow, and I heated up that glue and remove that. I flip it over, so I'll be working with the back side of it, and I paint that with the black chalk paint as well, giving it a couple coats. Once I have that completely dry, I sand it so you can see some of that galvanized material showing through. Next, I take this fabric, which is also from Dollar Tree, and I trace out the wooden heart on the back side of the material and cut that out. I then add a generous layer of Mod Podge to the unfinished side of the heart. I then place down the fabric onto the Mod Podge and just get that all lined up and smooth that out with my hands, making sure it's all pressed down, and then use my heating tool to dry that layer of Mod Podge. Once that's dry, I just go around with some detailing scissors and get off any excess fabric. Next, I am hot gluing the galvanized heart to the fabric. And then I'm taking this heart plaque that I got from Dollar Tree as well and painting that with a couple coats of crimson red chalk paint, and that's by Waverly. I just paint the sides and the front. Next, I take this love cutout, and that I got from Temu. I paint that with Plaster colored chalk paint by Waverly. I then need to redo the holes for the hanger, so I'm just poking my Fisker shears through the fabric, and then I'm adding some twine back for the hanger. I use tacky glue on the end of the twine and twist it a few times so it'll stay small to get through the hole for the hanger. I then tie a knot in the back and cut off the excess, and then do the same on the other side. I also just add a little bit of tacky glue on those knots so they don't come undone. I then hot glue the small heart plaque to the galvanized heart. Add some tacky glue to the love word, and then place that on the red heart. And to make sure that tacky glue is dry, I just use my heating tool around that word. I use some black chalk paint and fill in those holes left by the hanger for the galvanized heart, just so it blends a little better. And then I'm making a twine bow, and I'm just taking it and wrapping it around my fingers, wrapping it around 2 each for the loops, and I wrap it around about 5 times. Then pull that off my hand and wrap some twine around the center, and then cut off that excess twine right there. But I did leave some long tails on either end of those loops I had wrapped around my fingers for the tails for the bow. I place the bow where I'm going to be putting it, and then I trim up the tails and then hot glue that bow into place. And I did hot glue it over one of those holes on the galvanized heart. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.